Okay, hi guys, this is P.Charan Abhinav. I recently placed in a company called as Loyalty Juggernaut. I have started in QSpiders in the month of May as an incubation student and also a degree B.Tech under the stream of Electronics and Communication Engineering. I have gone through the many courses like Core Java, SQL, manual testing, Selenium, Postman tool, and also API testing and Fireflink also. And after attending many interviews, I recently got placed in a company having many rounds and clearing all the rounds, and I got placed. I learned the courses, manual testing. I have attended the presentations, mock interviews, grooming classes. In every mock interview and grooming classes, I have learned the many of the new things. I recommend every student please be focused on the grooming classes and mock interviews and also presentation classes. Where presentation classes increases the communication and confidence of the person. And a special thanks to Srivalli madam and Sirisha madam and also HRs who supported me for cracking this job. If you want to be a good test engineer or a good developer, and I suggest everyone who want to be a good test engineer or a developer, if you want to kickstart your career as a software engineer, I recommend QSpiders is the best place to kickstart your career and God bless and be a software employee. Thank you.